So guys, I'm here. I'm headed to the merry-go-round. It's actually $1. I don't know why I'm excited. I'm really excited. I'm like a kid. Guys, I'm up this thing and I'm very excited. I'm very excited to be here. I don't know what's gonna happen. Excited and at the same time I'm so curious, you know. I don't know why it keeps on taking me behind. Can't wait to experience this. Actually, I've never experienced this before. So I just realized it's only $1 to come up here, and I said, why not grab that opportunity and have this fun? At least I could have done something here. I'm not just here, I could have done something up here. It's about to start, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm tensed again, man. Wow. We're having this fun with a lot of kids who are up here. Yeah? Actually, we are going reverse. Taking us reverse. So we are about to start. It's gonna be fun, and the engine just started. Guys, we are on. We are going up slowly up. This is fun. This is fun. Wow, I'm excited like a kid. Wow. He was screaming. Feels nice. Look at that, guys. You're on top of the world. Wow, we're on top of the world, I'm telling you. Feels so nice, fantastic. Woo! A big grown man screaming on top of this thing. Enjoying, having fun. Wow! Woo! Look at that. I don't know how I'm this excited. Wow. We are spinning like crazy. And this thing is going with very high speed. I'm telling you guys. Woo! Look at that. Let me turn the camera. Look at that. Isn't this crazy? Wow. Look at that. I'm spinning in Nairobi. Wow. I'm actually feeling dizzy, kinda dizzy. Yeah? Look at that. They just turned it off. We're completing the fun. Or we are ending our fun. Our money is over. Our $1. It's over. So now we're just slowing down and waiting to get off. Still spinning. Our $1 is over, guys. This thing feels nice. It feels nice to be up here. call it a merry-go-round. Look at different games down there. Look at that. A whole lot of different games are down here. A lot of games, a lot of games. This is good, guys. I didn't know this thing can be this fun. I just enjoyed this one. Next time I'll be coming here with Baby Siobhan. I'm telling you. I love to bring her here. I don't know if she will like this, but I can sit with her here. I hold her and we go around, or she does a different game. You can do a different game, I think. Just being keen not to knock my legs on this timber down here. That's my feet. Just trying to be keen, lift my legs, because if I leave them down this way, they will scratch on the timber and maybe I can get hurt. Okay. Alright. We're almost getting off. Almost getting off. Because it's now going so slowing down as we get to stand. Almost coming to a stand. We're getting off, so guys, let me get off also. It's done. It's a done deal. So we love to go down using this staircase here as others come up from the other side. These guys are making a lot of money here. I just realized, because we just went around for like 5 minutes at most, and just like that they grabbed our $1, and that thing takes almost 40 or something like 30 to 40 people. So they're making good money, and people are queuing actually to go up. So it's crazy amounts of money they're making. So my good people, I'm gonna head to the other side of the park. There's actually one more side that I haven't showed you, so let me head there and show you. The other side is not that, you know, active. It's kind of chill, a chill place, and people go there to relax under the shades, you know. Let's go there. Let's go there. So look at that kid on top of a camel, having the time of his life. Yeah? That's nice. That's good. That's good. That's good. So there's this other end here that I haven't explored. Let's go around as I prepare to go or exit the park. Let's go around there as I prepare to exit this place. So these huge towers are holding lights up there, and at night they light up this place. Hey, look at this speed. This speed is crazy. Hey, I don't think I can do this because this is so fast. This one is going so fast. I don't think I can do that. horse is injured. The horse looks injured and they are still riding it. It's so wrong. Alright guys, so here we are on this other side of the park. It's more chill. Kids, you know, driving these things. It's a more chill place with these trees, so people chill. People are under the shades here. Some more chill kind of vibe here. More relaxed vibe. Yeah. I just saw some ladies and they ran away. They were afraid of the camera. Okay. So it's a more chill place. You can see the vibe. Low-key vibe. I don't wanna invade other people's privacy, so let me walk on these pavements as I go back. See people having good times under this shade. It's a good place to come and chill if actually you're so bored of being indoors. So yeah. So I'm gonna go up. There's actually a monument there. That's a serious monument. Well, I remember there's a video I did there, so if you haven't been watching me, you can go back and see my previous videos. It's not my first time being in this park. I've been here several times and I've showcased this park through my lens in my previous videos. So if you wanna see that, you can just go and see my previous videos. Okay, so that's the road there. I'm just gonna go walk towards that exit and go back. Yeah, so with these pavements actually we have these lights that are around or lighting the pavements at night. This place looks so beautiful actually, even at night. Yeah. Alright. Alright. You see how beautiful Nairobi looks like. It's not what they show you on TV. It's a different story. Yeah. Nairobi is so developed. Okay. I'm walking towards the exit of this park and I'll showcase just a little bit out there before we end our video. So stay tuned, and if you're new here, welcome to this channel. Just like the video, subscribe so that you can get to be notified once I upload a new video each and every time. Thank you. Let me walk with you outside the park. This is the exit. So I'm exiting, guys. Yeah, and there are cabs out here that you can grab and take you wherever you want to go. Okay, cabs or Uber guys out here. So you can grab here a taxi and head back home or wherever you want to go next. Yeah. All right. That was a fantastic trip that I had up there. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it to the fullest. Yeah. My camera keeps on shaking. I don't know what I'll do with this phone, to get more stable videos, because when I walk, if I can't walk slowly, the video keeps on, shaking and shaking. Yeah. But that is it, guys. So let's go. I was telling you, this is the park where I'm coming from. You can see there are a lot of people in, and that's the other side of the park that is closed. So on the other side, I think there's some, renovations or something going on, and it's not active. You can't see a person in there. no one is in there. That's another big side of, you know, this park. It's called Uhuru Park. Yeah, Uhuru means independence, so it's Independence Park. So this is where the first president of Kenya came and gave his speech, you know, immediately after Kenya gained its independence. So they call it Uhuru Park. Uhuru meaning Independence Park. Yeah, Uhuru is just a Swahili word meaning independence. So the park is called Uhuru Park. So I'm out here again. Look at the roads are not so busy because it's on a weekend. Yeah, people didn't go to offices, so the roads are not so busy. Okay, so guys, I think our video now comes to an end. We'll be ending our video from here. Thank you guys for watching the video till this minute. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much for all who come back from time to time to watch my videos. I really love you. I appreciate you so much. Bye bye till our next one.